I made a film clap. Take one. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to CMP. My name is Ron, and today I actually built something from using Tinkercad and a few design elements. And I created this. You're probably thinking, what is this used for? Well, it's a clapper. It's what we call in the film a film clap. What it's meant to represent is to represent audio that comes from one source and another source, so that when you're in an audio program like, say, Vegas or iMovie or whatever, that clap allows you to see that spike in your audio so you can sync voices and lips together. Now, I didn't use a film clapper at the Hamilton Maker Faire, which we recently put up, which you should see a link somewhere around here popping up. One of the cards that they call it in YouTube. So there was a little bit of syncing issues. I got it as good as I could get. I had a little bit of echo, but nothing that I could say that would ruin what they're saying and would be off timing for the video. So I can give that a little bit of leeway when I see that happen, because I know syncing audio with video is not what a lot of people are trained for. I'm not even trained for it personally myself, but I've done it enough times that I've learned how to do it. Dealing with like bad audio, doing audio edits that I do with podcasting. I've gotten used to using all these editing suite softwares that I can now make video and sync it properly. When I was at the other one, which is going to pop up somewhere around here, when I was at Murph this year, I was doing this. I was loud enough that it was carrying over to the camera. Or I would do a clap. What I found when I did that, though, is that this motion of me doing this didn't give me enough time that my hands could go down properly enough so I could fade in the pictures in and out that I need to. With this, though, on the other hand, I can just go like that. I can actually clap it, but I can actually now, with the help of an iPad, which I found one I actually do like, so I can actually put up the storyboard and show you where my audio is. So, like scene 1, take 1, date, time, name of the title, what microphone, audio file I'm using. And with a simple clapper like this, I can have that open, no time flat, and go, take 1, and walk and put that down. Give me enough time that I can count to 5, and then I fade in, and then I just start talking. Now, what that does is, if my recorder is recording and it hears that clap, I can then sync the audio that my camera is picking up, and I can sync the audio that my recorder is picking up, and merge them as one file. Now, yeah, I could have bought one, but I wanted to take a little bit more technique into my design and see how it goes. But the other half of you are going, why not use your iPad? The speaker on the iPad is not loud enough. Let's face it. These things are quiet as can be, and they're meant only to go so far. So, using that all together, yeah. But this was simple to make. And Tinkercad, this took me about maybe 2.5 hours to get right. My only problem was syncing the bolts, so the nuts would stay in the plastic so they wouldn't move while you're putting it together. That was my only downfall. Other than that, this thing works great. Has a nice clap sound. Easy to open and close. It can fit in your little fingers like this, which makes it handy. Now, granted, I could always cut this bigger. I can make it longer. I can put in a storyboard on this. But I wanted something to be out there on Thingiverse that if you ever need a clapper for doing any type of film production, for you guys out there in YouTube land that, need this for YouTube stuff, hit me up. This is something that I will be more than happy enough to print it out for you. Might be a small fee involved to ship it out. But this was designed all by myself. Yeah, I'm going to put like white stripes across this. I know it needs the white stripes here and here. I know I still got to paint this and finish it up, but I wanted to make this video out there so you guys could see this in action and see what I'm using. If you're more interested in the iPad program I'm using for my storyboard, I should say clapboard, that is going to be in the description down below, so remember to look there. I'll also have a link to the Thingiverse for this. But guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. Remember that we have a Patreon account. We have ways to, support the channel. Remember, also, if you're not subscribed already, subscribe button should pop up here. Like button will pop up. Guys, it all helps, honestly. And you know what, guys? Comment down below. Let me know if you printed it or not. Anyways, thanks everyone for watching. Have yourselves a great day. And I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.